When you open the JMeter application, you will see an interface something like this. In the application, the top panel consists of a general control panel, which you will find in most of the applications. These are File, Edit, Search, Run, Options, Tools, Help. Below that, there are some JMeter specified controllers. We will go one by one. The first icon is the new icon that allows you to open the new JMeter file. The second one is the template icon. This will help you to create JMeter scripts with a pre-configured setting. The next one is the open icon. This allows you to open any pre-existed JMeter file. Please always remember the extension for the JMeter file is .jmx, that is JMeter extension. The one beside that is the save icon. This helps you to save the work you have done in the application. The next three are cut, copy, paste icons, which helps you to cut, copy and paste while handling your scripts. The next plus icon is the expand all icon. This will help you to expand the entire plan in a single go. The minus button will shrink the entire script in one test plan. The icon beside that is the toggle button. This will help you to enable or disable requests, threads, config files in the JMeter. The shortcut for this icon is Ctrl+T for Windows and Command+T for Mac users. The play button beside that will run the script. The play button with a mark allows the script to run without any pauses. The next two buttons are stop and shut down. This will be enabled only when the script is executing in the GUI mode. The stop button stops the execution of the test while the shutdown button terminates the execution. The difference between is that when you click the stop button, the execution will be stopped, but JMeter will run few more time to bring down the threads. In case of shutdown button, the entire execution is halted. Two buttons with the wheel beside them are the clear buttons. The first button will clear all the existing data of the current listeners. The next one will clear all the existing data of all the listeners present in the script. I'll describe the listeners in a separate video. The binocular button is the search button that helps you to find a particular data in the entire script. The next button will reset the search field. We'll be seeing this in the upcoming videos. This button will help you to formulate JMeter functions. In the extreme right, you will find these icons displayed. The timer button will display the time taken by the script to execute completely. Please remember one thing, this will only be visible if you are using the GUI mode. The triangle button shows you the number of errors, warnings you have while running the script. The number beside that will give you the count. When you click on this button, you will find the log button appears below. 0 by 0 will show you how many thread counts or users ramping up in the script when it is executed. And the one beside that is the general plugin manager. I hope this video helped you in understanding the interface of the JMeter application. More practical applications of these controls are coming in the upcoming videos.